today ang Nognog in the City. Dinala ako ng pa ako sa Bryant Park. At sinilip din natin ang ilang mga theaters here in the area. We satisfied our cravings by visiting Totto Ramen. At lastly, naisipan namin i-cross out na ang pagtawid sa famous Brooklyn Bridge. Kaya sumama na all here on Nognog in the City.
Hey guys, so it's Wednesday today here in... grabe na ba na talaga ako. Ayan, so medyo tayo today. Jogging pants ang natin, extend natin. Wala naman tayong itinerary but I don't know if Elaine is going to meet me up. Magkikita rin kami ni Jihan somewhere in Manhattan. At mag-shoot kami ng portion of video that we are actually making. And ano pa ba? It's a sunny day today. So later, feeling ko it will be around 18 degrees. So sakto lang yung outfit natin for today. Maaga rin tayong uwi because we need to attend a prayer meeting later tonight. So yun lang guys. I'll see you in a bit. Maglakad na tayo going to the train station. And bye-bye.
Solo exploration tayo today. At least, more time to take the city in. And more time to take photos.
Kasi according sa weather update, at around 12 noon, uulan. So, kaya medyo gloomy. Pero later in the afternoon, medyo maganda na yung panahon. Siguro later, ayayin si Jihan maglakad dun sa bridge. Yun, gusto kong gawin yun. Saka magpa-picture doon. Times Square muna tayo for this morning. Yay!
Kaya dumiretso na ako ng Times Square. At sinilip din natin ang ilang mga theaters here in the area.
Times Square, guys!
Without any plans where to go next, dinala ako ng pa ako sa Bryant Park.
This is an open park, tapos may mga parang food court, stations and stuff. Maaraw na! Yay! Yeah, so we can just sit down here and chill. Maybe we can grab some food. Medyo hungry na tayo.
Actually, nagugutom na ako. Kaya lang, gusto ko kumain ni Elaine somewhere, kaya inantay ko na lang. At the back of Bryant Park, matatagpuan naman dito ang New York Public Library.
Okay guys, so now we're heading sa Grand Central and silipin natin yung yung Vanderbilt something. Hanapin natin isa. Saka medyo nag-jobs na ako. So hanap tayo ng CR.
A few blocks away from here, you'll find the Grand Central Terminal. Just beside the establishment, you'll see one Vanderbilt building, where you can find the newly opened Summit 1 Vanderbilt. This is one of the newest viewing deck here in the area. Gusto ko sanang itry but I realized better if may kasama tayo to take photos. After meeting up with Jihan and Elaine at Bryant Park, we satisfied our craving by visiting Totto Ramen. After eating, may extra time pa kami. Kaya naisipan namin i-cross out na ang pagtawid sa famous Brooklyn Bridge.
Sige, anong kinakain po natin?
This is manga. Mangay.
Diba? For $5 guys.
$12, one half ng mangga.
Isang kilo na yan sa Pilipinas.
It was a long walk for about an hour. Pero feeling ko, if di kami masyadong nag-stop to take photos, you can easily cross the bridge for only 30 minutes. At the end of the bridge, we decided to finish the day by visiting the famous spot to take photos at the Dumbo. Pero do you even know what Dumbo means? It was actually an acronym for Down Under the Manhattan Bridge Overpass, and it is one of the most visited spots here in Brooklyn.
Hey guys, finally I'm back here at Queens. It's already 7:30 in the evening, and ano ba? Wala namang masyadong ginawa today. Date lang kami with Elaine, kasama natin si Sian. We went to Brooklyn Bridge and we just ate. Yeah, I'm walking towards the house, and I hope you enjoyed my travel this day, and I'll be seeing you all again on my next trip. Again, don't forget, of course, to put thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys, bye!
On our next episode, babalik tayo sa Times Square. Hindi para tumambay, pero para manood ng Broadway show. Excited na ako dahil imaginein mo, after 2 years of not being able to travel, dito pa kami nagkita ng isa sa mga vlogger friends natin from the Philippines. Abangan ang aming adventure on our next episode.